started working with CAMT in the year 2000 because we looked at our manufacturing processes and were not satisfied with the quality of the product that we were making. We weren't satisfied with the lead time that we had for our customers, and we weren't satisfied with our organization. We came in with the CAMT team, and through the multi-day event that we held, we looked at different options, look at the results, examine it, change it, and improve it, so you do eliminate the waste in the system.
Kaizen event, it's a 5-day rapid improvement event focused on a particular area, whether that's in the shop floor, if it's in the office, customer service. And what we do is, for the first 2 days, we've got half-day training. We'll get managers, supervisors from outside the area to come in. We go out and actually take the process, digging right down in extreme detail to ferret out any motion waste, transportation waste, overproduction. So we're digging those out because we know that they're buried in the processes. So then by Wednesday, they develop the new process. By the end of that Thursday afternoon, they finish it. We go out and time it. We get the same level of detail on the new process that we did on the existing. Friday morning, they have the new process in place. We run through it, and then at the end of that afternoon on Friday, they have the opportunity to report back what they found during their 5 days. Monday morning, they start out, they've got the new process in place.
Basically, what you look to do is find sources of waste in your organization. In the lean system, the less time you spend wasting time doing things that the customer won't pay for, the better it is for the customer, and also the better for Sears Trostel Lumber.
What am I doing with those tools and that equipment in order to get the product through the process in the least amount of time, in the safest manner, at the lowest cost? Once you tear it apart and put it back together and you measure steps and measure seconds, it doesn't take long to see that anybody could make their process better.
We've been able to introduce flow in a system that before was a batch process where you would run, stop, run, stop, run, stop, and we've introduced continuous flow of material.
Having things where you want them, when you want them, having processes written to where you can actually give it to somebody and they know what they're going to do every day.
And within 2 or 3 weeks, we were seeing very good production gains from the rearranged process.
We were able to see some huge gains and success. So you take that 1 or 2 and multiply it by several thousand pieces that we do a week, yeah, we're expecting immediate huge results even in the first week.
So the flow that we generated has really improved our lead time and helped us to capture more market share, not only on our manufacturing floor, but in our paperwork flow and our communication to customers.
It's the office, shop floor, it's out in the field. And it's applying the tools in a way that drives out waste on a daily basis, but also engaging your people to be part of that.
With the tools that you use in the Kaizen, it doesn't matter what you do. It doesn't matter if you're in the office or in the shop. You can put things back together. There's always room for continuous improvement.
The costs are very minimal because you don't have to add new equipment, you don't have to add experts on your staff. You can really rearrange your environment to make your environment work better, working with your current equipment, your current people.
We'll see easily a 50 to 60% reduction in process complexity as measured by how many activities do I have to do to complete my process. So the effectiveness of the person and what they're able to accomplish in a day, they're actually able to work at a slower pace and increase their productivity twofold. Be able to do twice as much, working half as hard.
It's a huge immediate improvement. And I've got a group of individuals eager to implement this and put it in place come Monday morning. We will be doing things differently.
We increased our floor space even by adding equipment because we've moved equipment closer together, linked it, took up the space that was used for storing product that was work in process, and through that have created more working space than we had before the Kaizen event.
We've seen some huge transformations within the shop operations.
We've increased our output by 54% and not increased our number of employees. Also, our quality has increased so that we've had fewer redos, returns. And the other big improvement was that we reduced the lead time from about 3 weeks to 5 to 7 production days.
The morale has increased, productivity has increased, the look of the place has increased. I mean, it's a place you can be proud to work in.
And we've gained a lot of business because we're able to produce a high-quality product with a lower lead time than our competitors. And that's been a huge competitive advantage for us with the lean manufacturing and the Kaizen events associated with it.